Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to transform a bottle cap of the Pantene shampoo. This is our main materials. The Pantene. This is an empty bottle of Pantene shampoo, and we need these bottle caps. This one from the shampoo. This one. This is our material from this Pantene shampoo, and this is our project today. This one, look at here. This is the transformation of the Pantene shampoo bottle caps. This is painted with these glitters, this nail polish from Beauty Line, made in Europe. And this one, this earrings is derived from these bottle caps of Pantene shampoo. Now I will show you the materials that we need to create these fashion earrings. Okay, all we need is this nail polish, this with glitters, this one, the lighter. We need this jewelry wire. This is 0.4 mm, the gauge. Gauge means the thickness of the wire. We need this puncher because we're going to make a punch, to make a holes here. So I already make a holes here. This is the bottom of the cup. You need to make 3 holes on the bottom and 1 from the center on the top portion. We need this scissor. We need this. This is our primary tools, the pliers. This is the presser. This is the cutter for the wire. This is the cutter for the plastic, because we're going to remove the plastic from the back side here. But actually I have already taken out the plastic so that we can continue with our demonstration for our tutorial. Then this is the long nose to make a loops for the beads, and we need these rings. This is the jump rings, because each of the earrings we need 4 pieces of this. We need this hook. This is a ready-made hook. Okay, I'm using only the ready-made hook now so that we can work quickly. And we need some pearl beads. This is a small one. So I have already created here some loops for the beads that I'm going to decorate from these earrings. But I will show you one piece so that you will learn on how to create a loops. Loops means to make a circle connecting with the wire. So now this is the wire. All you have to do first is to insert the beads. This one is the pearl. Anything, it is called beads. Okay, so this one, first you have to insert the beads and use the long nose. This one, the long nose. So from this portion you have to hold your wire and fold it towards you 3 times. 1, make a circle first, 1, 2, 3. So you have to make a coil 3 times. Now it looks like this. Where is it? It looks like this. Okay, because this serves as our stopper, so that it will not release when we will put into the tip of this wire. Okay, this loops. Then you have to hold the wire. Look at here, hold the wire like this. So in between of these beads and the long nose, you have to hold from this side. Look at here. Give a little space from the end, from the tip of the long nose, and hold it here. Okay. Then you have to, this is the wire. Okay, look at here. This is the wire. Look, this is the wire. Bend it and hold it like this. Look. Then make around, wrap it around from this portion here. Okay, 2 times 1, 2. Okay, then after that release the long nose, and you can see the loops. This is called loops. Okay, so from the other side, from the back side, look at here, this one, you have to cut the wire. You can see this one, because we wrap around from this side 2 times. Okay, so you have to cut this side. Okay, so by use, in order so that you will not find difficulty, so just hold these loops, put into the circle, the tip of this long nose. Okay, hold it like this. Okay, and this portion you have to cut by using the cutter. This is the cutter. Okay, this is the cutter. So use the cutter and hold it like this. Okay, so we cut already the wire. Since there is still some extra piece or extra wire, you need to cut again a little bit. Then you have to use the presser to press this wire. Just a little bit of this wire, you need to fix it so that when you touch it, you will not feel anything that will make you scratch. Okay, so that is it. So this is already our loops. Okay, so that you can see, I will hold it from the bottom. This is already called loops. Okay, I'm using the jewelry wire because I want you to learn how to make a loops that is called loops, forming a circle and wrap around. You have to wrap around from this portion. Okay, only wrap around 2 times. If the wire is more stronger, you have to wrap only once. Okay, so I have already prepared here 3 pieces, because each of the earrings we need 3 pieces for this look. So now I'm going to insert into the rings these beads with the loops. Okay, and I will show you how. So this is our project. Stand by here. So this is now the rings. Okay, so I will prepare, I will insert this this one. This is the beads with the loops that I have created, and insert into the rings. Okay, so I have to prepare it first here, all the rings with the beads, the 3 pieces of this ring and 3 pieces of these beads that I have already created. So I have to prepare. Okay, this is the 3 I have already prepared. Look, this one I have already prepared. Okay, then I will show you. I will clean this plastic cover by using this scissor. I will just remove this one, take out only this one, this side. Okay, just cut out nicely. Okay, only the excess plastic, look at here. Okay, then you have to use the lighter, this one, this is the lighter. Use it with the lighter like this and press it like this. Okay, one more. Okay, so it's already clean. I have already made a holes already before we started, and here 3. You have to first find the center of this cover and make a hole in it from the top portion, and then find again the straight line and make a hole in the bottom and 2 in the other side. Okay, to make it 3 holes. So, but if you can make 5 holes, it's up to you. So now I am going to attach first the hook on it. Okay, this is the puncher that I was using for punching this plastic here. Okay, so I have already created this, but here this is the one. So if you cannot find puncher like this, you can use a nails, no, and you have to hit from the lighter like this. For example, this is the aluminum or a wire. You have to hit from the fire, and you can make a holes on your plastic by using like this. Okay, if you don't have this kind of puncher. So now we have already here, so I'm going to use now the hook, and I'm going to open this hook or this ring like this. So open the ring, look, and put the hook, and in this ring insert these holes from this plastic. So you can see here. So use the pliers, this is the pressure, to close the ring. Okay, so we have already the ring now. Okay, we have already attached the ring. Then we're going to fix the 3 rings on the bottom. I have already here, so I will start from the center. Look at here, and you have to hold it and close it, okay, by the use of your pressure. Okay, and adjust the form of the circle to look nicely. And another one, I need more 2 pieces. Look here, this is the second part. So we need one more. This is the last one. Insert it into the holes. Wait. because it's very small. You have to push it so it will open. So now this is it, okay? Look at here. So this is the last part. And now we have already the 3 rings, okay? So now we have already our earrings, okay? So this is already. Now we are going to paint this one with the use of these glitters so that it will look more attractive and it will look the same as this one, okay? So I have to use this paint, nail polish, to brush it to this plastic cover so that it will look more attractive and more beautiful. So this is a very easy project, and I hope you learn from this tutorial on how to recycle the waste materials at home, and you can transform it into a unique and beautiful earrings. So thank you for watching, and I hope you will continue to keep watching all my videos so that you will learn how to create a beautiful project, and you will be updated with my tutorial and my new project. So this is all. So I will gonna display it here, and now you can see our project for today. This is a recycled earrings. Look at here. Now this is already our project. This is the recycled earrings made from the bottles, made from the Pantene cover. So this is the transformation of the bottle caps of this Pantene shampoo. And now this is already our project. Okay, thank you and happy viewing. Dankeschön at maraming salamat. Merci, grazie.